Bitcoin changed the world, but no one knows who actually made it. There's a name, Satoshi Nakamoto, but no face, no identity, just mystery. Let's break down the story behind Bitcoin's secret creator. Before Bitcoin, money was controlled by banks and governments. If they wanted to, they could print more money, and your savings would lose value. People wanted a better way, a kind of money that no one could control. In 2008, right after a big financial crisis, someone using the name Satoshi Nakamoto posted a document online. It was called a white paper, like a recipe. This recipe explained a new kind of money, digital, decentralized, and limited in supply. This was the birth of Bitcoin. In 2009, Satoshi mined the very first block of Bitcoin, called the Genesis block. It even had a secret message inside. The Times 03 Jan 2009 Chancellor on brink of second bailout for banks. This wasn't just code, it was a statement. Satoshi wanted to fix the broken financial system. Satoshi talked with early Bitcoin users in forums and emails, but never revealed their real identity. No voice, no video, no face. Then in 2010, Satoshi disappeared. Poof, no one's heard from them since. Who was Satoshi? Some people think Satoshi was one person. Others think it was a group, maybe even a government. The identity has never been proven. Many have claimed to be Satoshi, but none could prove it with cryptographic keys, like digital fingerprints. Today, Bitcoin is worth hundreds of billions of dollars, and its creator remains a ghost. This mystery actually helps Bitcoin, because no one controls it, not even its creator. No leader, no CEO, just code, math, and people who believe in it. Mystery, math, and money. That's Bitcoin. If this helped you understand it better, give it a like and hit subscribe to Block and Learn. We break down Bitcoin every week, simply and clearly.